Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
Let's learn how to evaluate a function. Evaluating functions is like using a recipe. Depending what you put into the recipe, it depends on what you get out. So if you're making muffins and we put blueberry muffins in, if we put blueberries in, then we get blueberry muffins. If we put chocolate chips in, then we would get out chocolate chip muffins. So depending on what you put in will change what you get out. The same thing is true for a function. So if a bank account has $100 in it, the function would look like this. F of x is equal to x plus 100, representing how much is in the savings account after I add some amount of dollars. We're letting the variable x represent what amount of dollars is added in. So this week I put $18 into the account. So I have my 18 and I know there's already $100 in the account. When we write it in function notation, we would say f of 18. So we're plugging in for this x here and this x. We will then do the math of 18 plus 100. That's going to give us a total of $118. What if we put something different into the account? What if we put $29 into the account? Then we would have to find what is f of 29. That would be equal to 29 plus the $100 that's already in the account, giving us a total of $129. So when we evaluate, we are plugging a number into the function and also plugging it into the x value of the function. F of x, which is called function notation, is just representing what number we're putting in for the x. So you might see f parentheses 7 or f of 110. There's no math that's going on here. This is not multiplication. This is just telling you that this number here is going to get plugged in for the x value.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.